In this video, I'll guide you through deleting parental controls on Android. First, open the Play Store. Now, if parental controls are restricting you to access certain apps or content, follow the steps to remove them. Tap on your profile icon at the top right, navigate to Settings, then click Family. Next is click the parental controls. Just toggle off the button and it will require you to enter your PIN. If you need to enter a PIN to disable parental controls, check with the account holder first. If you don't have the PIN or can remember, just go clear the data of Google Play Store. So after entering your PIN, the parental controls will automatically turn off, and now you can access all sites without limitations. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.